Today I'm gonna show you how to customize your home screen widget in iOS 26. Long press in your display, then you get this option, press on customize. Okay, then you get edit your home screen option. If you want to add any widget, press on, showing here more option, like add weather widget, or if you want to add any apps. Okay, or if you want to increase or decrease your clock size and thickness, change font, change color, okay. And this section, if you want to add another apps, like remove flash option, press on add, and add anything, like add calculator, press on done. So look here, now successfully change it.